four-wheeling it. Brought my big honking Jeep. Actually, this is a backhoe. But for those concerned about degradation to the marine environment, don't be worried, this is a fire lane. There's some wild roses there. Okay, that's close enough, I guess. And there's the bucket. As you can see, this really is a backhoe. And if we look around in the back, there's my boom. So I'm going to shut this critter off, and we'll go take a walk on the beach. Okay, these guys out here are cormorants. They dive in the water for fish. There seem to be some fish showing up now, so the cormorants are showing up. And you may not be able to see it too well. There's a lobsterman way out there. Whenever you see birds diving into the water, it's a good sign that fish are around, so people tend to follow the birds when they're looking for fish. And that's Race Rock Lighthouse, if you can even see it. And there are a lot of boats out there right now fishing. That's a good place to fish. Race Rock Lighthouse was once on the Ghost Hunter show, and those of us who live here have never heard of ghosts being out there, but whatever. And I think I just saw a fish jump out there. But anyway, I'm going to leave these fishermen alone. So much for that.